sorry. Sorry, Mama, sorry.
Hey! If I come inside water too? Ewo. They told you to put it inside water. Mama, so that they put us will drink and die. What is this one that you put inside water? Oh, you are confused. You are supposed to be confused. You know the Bible said that my enemies will be confused. Take your water and drink and die. Hey! They did not tell you.
What's going on here?
It is this thing, no? They did not tell her. Most people did not tell her who I am.
Mama was coughing. And then I decided to get her water.
Is it your mouth that are using coughing? Is it your mouth? Or did I send you message? Most people did not tell you. They did not tell you. Tell her who your mother is. That as I am sitting down here, I am unkillable. Unquenchable. That is how you see you? They should inform you. You don't know. I don't know if I don't know if I told you people that I want to die. Yeah? Did I tell you that life has tired me and I want to die? It is me that will use the Holy Ghost fire to turn you to a pigeon. Don't worry, get ready. You are going to become a pigeon very soon.
Babe, what happened?
Mama was coughing. I went to get her water to drink. And then she said I put something in the water that wants to kill her. Please help me check. I can't find anything in the water.
Look, ignore Mama, please. She's just being unnecessarily dramatic, okay? Let's go to the room. Please.
Okay. Right. Yes.
I love you.
I love you too. What was that?
Oh, Mama, perfect timing. I'll tell her about you. Mama, good evening. Mama, I'm getting married. I was going to call you. Yes, Mama. I popped the question and I got a yes. Who is now a fiancé? Well, her name is Ifueko and she's from Edo State. Yes, Mama, she's from Benin in Edo State. Hello, Mama. Mama, hello. Hello, Mama. Networking.
Yeah.
I'll call her later.
Network is bad, I guess. You need to call her back, okay?
Sure, I will.
Hello,
Fiancé.
husband-to-be.
Hi, wife-to-be.
I like the sound of that.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey, baby. How was your day?
My day was stressful. Series of meetings, you know.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry. Let me ease the stress of you.
Okay, baby. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh. You're nasty.
I know. No, I like me.
I like it, baby.
Come here, baby.
Ooh. Ooh.
We're going to have a good time, I promise.
Okay.
Enjoy every bit of it.
Mm-hmm. Ah. Okay. Oh.
Stress.
Okay. Mm. Mm. what are you doing
my son
here?
that they die like fowl like this?
Mama, what are you doing here now? Why
Jesus Christ!
you were coming?
The devil is a liar. I lose you. I lose you.
Mama.
I lose you in the name of Jesus.
What?
The Bible said in John chapter 18 verse 18 that whatsoever is bound on earth is bound in heaven. Whatsoever is loose on earth is loose in heaven. I lose you, my son.
Why didn't you lock the door?
I lose you.
Mama, it's not
Be
that
free.
deep now. It's not that deep.
Hi.
Good evening, ma.
Hi.
Sorry. I'm really sorry, ma. I'm sorry. Welcome, ma.
Mama, why did you tell me you were coming? Eh?
Chukwemere,
Mama.
is that what you said you want to marry?
Mama, she is the one I want to marry.
Hey! My enemy's at work. Chineke me! Nike na threatened me. Ow! Nike nebuom. Nike nebuomo! But it will not happen. Me, help us ways. I am strong.
Mama, it's enough. Let me take
I am
you back
strong.
to your room, please.
Who any demonic spirit inside this house, I bind you. Every philosophy demon, every money drinking demon, I bind you people. In the name of Jesus. Hey, I bind.
Goodness. Just do. Babe, what's up? How's Mama?
She's fine. She's in her room.
Babe, we shouldn't have done what we did in the living room. We should have just waited till we get to the room. And I should be thinking that I am...
Sexy?
Stop. You see, first impression matters. That wasn't a good one. Now I should think that I am one...
It was sexy.
Can you stop?
Fine. Sorry. Sorry now. Huh? Look, I love you, and Mama will love you too.
I am very sure that with what happened tonight, I'm not sure she'll be able to look at me.
Trust me. Before morning, she's going to forget everything. She's like that.
Are you sure?
I am sure, babe. Now, let's continue from where we stopped, babe.
Will you stop that nonsense and act like a child of God?
Come now. Let's continue what we are doing now, baby. Oh,
God.
babe.
Mama, good morning. Mama, did you sleep well?
Is there any reason why I shouldn't?
Not at all, Mama. Mama, I want to apologize. I want to apologize for what happened yesterday. The truth is, I've been looking forward to meeting you. It's just so sad that we met like that, but I am happy to see you. You're welcome again, Mama. I am actually preparing egg sauce for Emiri. He loves egg sauce, especially for breakfast.
Emeri, Chukwu Emeri, that is my son's name. I will not have you spoil his name.
I'm sorry, Mama. Chukwu Emiri.
Oh, again, I don't know Nazaha. Also.
Thank you, Mama. Oh, I said, Mama. It will be ready soon. The fried eggs will be ready soon. Oh, I said, hey, babe. Babe.
Hey, Na. You are back. Welcome, Na. Welcome.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Why are you asking her if she's okay? Does she look like somebody that trail a jam? Me that's even greeting you, you don't want to answer.
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
Sorry, Nkegi, give me your bag. Let me carry for you. Let us go. I made moha and fufu for you, your favorite. Yeah?
Yes.
Face this side. She tie your leg and her own together. Ha! Oh, let us go, Biko.
Mama, what is it?
I came to talk to you.
Mama, it's late. We are tired and we are about to sleep.
What
is it, Mama?
Yes, Lord. Oh, Chukwemere, Mom.
What?
You know how it is with your mother and the taste of the spirit. If I have a message like this, if I don't deliver it, this will spoil.
Mama, can't it wait till tomorrow? We're about to sleep. Come on, babe. Mama, what is all this one now? Mama, stop. Mama.
Let us sleep. Ngwa. Let us sleep.
Mama, what is it now?
You say you want to sleep now, Ngwa. Let all of us sleep.
Okay, fine. Mama, what is the matter?
It's now that you are talking. I have a message for you. From the spirit. This one has to leave. The message is for your ear only.
Mama?
Don't worry, babe, okay? I'll just leave.
That is a wise thing. Has she gone? I know you will not answer me. Nah. Look, take. Take it now, look. What do you think?
What do I think? She's okay.
She's beautiful. She's beautiful. That girl, I never seen Kiru. She is the last daughter of your father's best friend, Mazi Okori. Remember him? He's late too now. They retired the principal. The reason why you don't know this one is because she was born when you left the village. That's why. She is a very good girl. This girl you see here is in charge of the children's department in our church. Very good girl. Very obedient, good Christian girl. Everybody in the village is talking about this girl.
Take. Good for her.
Good for her. Is that the only thing you are going to say?
Mama, what do you want me to say?
Hey, something that shows that you are interested in her now.
Mama, how can you think that? I have a fiancé and you know that. She's sleeping and she's outside right now.
In fact, let me just hit the hammer on the head of the nail. I don't like that girl. I don't like her.
Mama, how can you say that? You spent just one day here.
But it's enough now for a spiritual woman like me. Your mother is a spiritual woman. Once I see somebody like this, I look the person with my spiritual eyes. Wham! I've known who the person is.
Okay, Mama. Why don't you give her a little more time? Maybe you will like her.
A little more time will not change anything now. Will it change the fact that she's not Igbo? Will it change the fact that she's not from our tribe? You know all these girls these days from all these tribes, they are not well trained, especially the tribe that she's from. Yeah? They are known for being witches. So this girl you want to marry now is a witch. I have seen it in her eye.
Okay, I get it now. The fact that she is not Igbo. But Mama, Ifueko is not Igbo. And she's also not a witch.
She's a witch. Look at you. I have seen it in her eye. What it will take is for me to look at somebody and I will know. Okay, this tribe you want to marry from now, the tribe that she's from, what are they known for? It's two things now. An ezezo, winch, and ashawo. If you join two of them together, I shall witch. That is what you want to marry.
Mama, I have heard you. Now leave my room.
Mo Ekutos. Come and carry me. Come and carry me.
You want to stay here? Fine. Mama, stay here.
Where are you going? Chukwuemeka, come back or let us finish this conversation. Chukwuemeka. So this is what this girl has been feeding my son with. How can soup be this black? Hi. Let me prepare something that my son will eat. Hi!
Babe, you're back.
Yeah, a few minutes ago. And how did your meeting go?
It went well, babe.
Yeah?
I made the black soup and the starch you requested for.
Oh, yeah? I'm sure that's what Mama wants to serve me. She's in the kitchen.
Really? Oh, that's so thoughtful of your mother. Mama, good afternoon.
Thank you, Mama. I thought I was having black soup.
That's concoction. This is soup. Good food. Eat it.
Mama, I want to eat black soup.
Chemere,
Ma?
I washed my hand to prepare your favorite onubu soup with fufu that I follow with my hand. See the oporoko them inside. Eat it.
Mama, I know, I can see it, but it's black soup I want to eat.
Hey! Oh, I said it. Chukwuemeka. You have never rejected my food before. This is the first time. So you would rather eat that nonsense than this thing that I made for you.
Babe, please let me have some black soup, please.
All right, madam.
Thank you. Mama, I will eat this one tomorrow.
The devil is a liar. Chukwuemeka, the devil is... My enemies at work. But you know what? I am strong for them. I am strong for this time in this house. Hey! My own son.
Babe,
Yeah?
I can't find it.
What?
The black soup I made, the starch, I can't find it. What's in the pot is the
Onubu, white witch.
Mama, I want to eat black soup. What happened to the black soup?
Oh. So that thing is soup. I didn't know. I saw it in the kitchen. It looked like shit and smelled like shit to me. So I throw it away.
How can you do that, Mama?
I flushed it because it didn't look like... It looked like shit. Ain't she?
Mama, how can you do that? I personally asked her to make that soup before she left the house.
So you personally told her to cook shit for you. You see, that explains why you are the way you are. Right now, look at the way you are looking. Is this how you used to look when you were in my house and I was giving you good food to eat? Look at you now, you are just bone. Even your baby is not even growing well because of the shit that she's feeding you with.
Mama, it is not shit. That is my tribal soup. It is not shit. As a matter of fact, it's very nutritional and delicious. I went through a lot of work to make that soup specially for him. Only for you to what? Flush it? That's so unfair.
Oh. I should start crying because I flush it. Ibo Nyala, listen to me very carefully, young woman. If you want to cook your black or blue or purple soup, go and cook it in your father's house. We have not paid 1 naira on your head.
Enough, Mama.
I don't know what you are doing here.
Enough! Huh? What is all this now?
I know what is wrong with you. Your eye is not clear. You know, babe. Babe, go and eat food.
You can eat
your eye will clear. Oh. It will clear. Is it not me able to some ways? Your eye will clear. I will not allow this juju to work. Carry afternoon juju and keep in this house. Come and eat food, though. That I wash my hand to cook for you. Chukwu Emerie.
I'm so sorry, okay? I'm really, really sorry. I'm sure my mom doesn't mean all those things she's saying. Okay? I'm so sorry. Alright? Please let me just come sit. Come sit. Sorry.
Hey.
Ma, good afternoon.
Ifako. Or what do you call yourself? Yeah?
Mama, my name is not Ifako, it's Ifweko.
Oh, well, it is not my business. Whether you are Ifako, Ofako, it is not my business. It doesn't concern me. Why can't you come and sit down here and watch Igbo film with me? I know you don't like Igbo. I have said it before. You don't like anything that has to do with Igbo. But you want to marry Igbo man.
Mama, I don't understand Igbo, so watching the movie will be boring to me.
Ewo! So, Igbo language is boring. Eh? Igbo language is boring. But you want to marry my son, my own son.
Mama, that's not what I meant.
Chere? Hey! Are you calling me a liar? Hey! Hey, Ekuto!
Mama, I'm not calling you a liar.
What call me also? You have called me a liar 2 times, standing here. In my son's house. Yeah? Oh, you are even keeping me quiet. So that means I'm a mad woman talking to myself.
I'm sorry, Mama. Please excuse me.
You are walking out of me. Hey, Ekutoso. Ekutoso. There's nothing I will not see in my son's house. I don't blame you. What about you? I don't blame you. It's my son that I blame. That brought you into this. If you're going to step, there is step. Now, I don't know if in your father's house there is step. But there have this step for you to climb. I don't blame you. Come and sit on my head. I don't blame you. Ekutos. And the Philistine took the act and brought
Mama.
it to...
Mama, good afternoon. I'm actually on my way out. I have a meeting with a client. I'll be back shortly.
Wait. A meeting with a client?
Yes, Mama.
So it's a meeting that you are going wearing this pants that you are wearing?
Mama, this is not panto. It's a dress.
Want to see a client naked like this? You know, I have always known that you are an ashawo. You, this girl, you are an ashawo. That is your profession. It is showing in your eye. I can see it. I'm an old woman. I can see ashawo in your eye. Mama, went and brought a full-blown ashawo inside the house. I want to make her a wife. And
Mama, Mama, please, I'm not an Ashawo. It's a female client I'm going to see. You know what? I'll go and change. Sorry, don't be angry.
Hey! Shower, 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 le. Shower, 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 le. Ashawo. Pom pom. Porokotom.
Mama. Mama, sorry. Sorry, Mama, sorry.
Hey! If I come inside water too. Ewo. They told you to put it inside water.
Mama,
so that they put us will drink and die. What is this one that you put inside water? Oh, you are confused. You are supposed to be confused. You know the Bible said that my enemies will be confused. Take your water and drink and die. Hey! They did not tell you.
What's going on here?
It is this thing, no? They did not tell her. How most people did not tell her who I am.
Mama was coughing. And then I decided to get her water.
Is it your mouth that are using coughing? Is it your mouth? Or did I send you message? How most people did not tell you. They did not tell you. Tell her who your mother is. That as I am sitting down here, I am unkillable. Unquenchable. That is how. You see you? They should inform you. You don't know. I don't know if I don't know if I told you people that I want to die. Yeah? Did I tell you that life has tired me and I want to die? It is me that will use the Holy Ghost fire to turn you to a pigeon. Don't worry, get ready. You are going to become a pigeon very soon.
Babe, what happened?
Mama was coughing. I went to get her water to drink. And then she said I put something in the water that wants to kill her. Please help me check. I can't find anything in the water.
Look, ignore Mama, please. She's just being unnecessarily dramatic, okay? Let's go to the room. Please.
Jehovah Bonyama, Onyama mo. Jehovah Bonyama, Onyama, Jehovah Bonyama. Nah. Onyama, this is how you are sitting like this. Have you forgotten what today is?
Saturday.
Bible studying now.
Oh.
Ha! Well, go and dress up. This one that you are not dressed, I didn't even know. Go and dress up, let us go.
Mama, I'm not going.
Why would you not go to church? Ha! You are a church worker in the village even before you came to town. Let us go now. It's Bible study.
Mama, I don't attend that church anymore. I don't attend your church anymore.
Who are you? Again. Hey! Ekutos, Machuku. Chiemele, you open your mouth that you use in chopping to tell me that you don't do what? Hey! I know it. Somehow I know that you cannot still be in faith and have that mp. Ekwensu that you kept in your house you want to marry. There is no how. I know that you are falling out of faith. How? Chukwe Merienwam. You used to born for God. Oh. You used to born. People will respect me. Even till now in the village, they call me Mama Pastor.
Mama.
Nenu?
Mama, it's enough. Mama, I still born for God, but not just in your church.
Shut up! Close your rotten teeth. I am going to sit quiet and look you now. Just keep quiet because I am late for this service. When I come back, we will know who born each other between me and you. If you are my child or I am your child.
You look so beautiful, babe.
Thanks, my love. Since you have forgotten that you are the one that gave me this dress.
Oh, for real?
Oh,
yes,
nah.
You did.
Oh, good morning, Mama.
Mama, good morning.
This one that you are going to church this early, do you know it's 6 a.m.?
Yes, Mama. We're going for 6:30 Mass.
Yes, Mama.
Mass?
Yes, Mama.
Oh. So, the new church that you told me that you attend now is Catholic?
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Is it her church?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Nwamefuo.
Mama, what is it?
So you leave a church that you were born inside and follow a woman to her church.
Mama, what is all this now? Mama, it's too early for all of this. It's too early. Mama, is there anything wrong in following her to our own church?
No. Did I say anything is wrong? Hey! Since you are no coco, empty head, you don't know that that is something wrong with a full-grown man leaving his own church to follow a woman to her church. If I did not see when I was giving birth to you, I would have said they exchanged you in the hospital. I can't believe that I gave birth to you. So I carried you 9 months in my womb. Hey! This is not my son. When you come around, what did she give you to eat? What did you give to my son?
Mama.
What did you give to my son to eat?
Mama, stop all these things.
Hey!
Mama, stop all these things now. Mama, I don't like all these things. I don't like it.
You are pushing me away because of her.
Babe, please, let's go.
Because of a yellow witch.
Mama, stop this thing. Stop it. It's too early. Have her.
Hey! Hello, Mami Kenna. Hey! Mami Kenna, I'm not the only person who said that your son is an efulef. Everybody in the village knows that your son is an efulef. Because my own son is successful, your own is walking around in the village. Eh? You decided you want to destroy my son. Kenna, this is a spiritual warfare. You don't know me. You don't live with us. You don't live with us, Kenna. I know it now. Look at entanglement. This is how she has entangled my son in the spirit. But I am here. Oh Lord, my God, arise. Let thy enemies be scattered. Oh Lord, my God, arise. Let your enemies be scattered. Arise. Oh, my son, you are awake.
Of course I'm awake now. You're shouting in my room.
Stand up. Let us pray. Come and join me.
Mama, I'm tired. I want to sleep.
Ngwa, stay. I will do it alone. Arise,
Mama, please go to your room now. You have your room. Go and pray there.
You see? Oh, wake with us. They have tied my son in the realm of the spirit. You cannot see. Don't worry. By the time I finish this prayer, your eyes will open. And you will see that you are lying down on the bed with a winch.
Mama, I'm your rich son, please. Mama, go to your room.
Arise, O Lord, let thy enemies be scattered. O Lord, my God, arise. My son, this is spiritual warfare. And we fight it inside the... Oh, you are going out. You are going out with your winch. You are following your winch to go out. Arise, O Lord, let thy enemies be scattered.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Hey, keep that in there. Don't eat that nonsense. So this is the ritual that you perform before you feed my son. I have caught you today. My son will not put this poison inside his mouth. Mama, it will not happen.
Mama, What is all this now?
You're asking me what is all this? You did not see the sign that she did before. I saw her. I was just coming. I saw her with my 2 naked eyes.
What? Sign of the cross?
Which cross? Does witchcraft have cross? So, Atoro, think. Does witchcraft have cross? This one is a white witch. Don't you know that all those things they do, especially where she's from? What they do is witchcraft. They use cross to cover up. This is pure witch that you brought to the house, but you will not see it. Your mother has spiritual eyes. You will not acknowledge it. She has blinded you, so you are not seeing anything. You see you? It will not work. I am here. I have come here. This is my son's house. I know that is you. That is that bed that was shouting yesterday night. I have killed you spiritually. It's remaining physical. I will kill you. This house, my son will not eat this thing.
Mama.
If you put this in your mouth, I will squeeze it out. Try me. Witchcraft food. Sign of which cross?
Babe.
Hey, let her go.
Babe.
Go.
Babe. Mama, I don't like all this.
Go and sit down. You are blind.
Babe.
Are you seeing anything?
Babe.
Babe. No, yeah. Go and sit in my son's house. Nonsense. Look at the big chicken she's cooking. With my son's money. I've not even seen this kind of size of chicken before in one plate of food. Yeah. Oh.
Hey, babe.
What did I do to your mother?
You did nothing wrong. This is not your fault. Just give my mother a little time. I'm sure she'll come around.
Your mother, she insults me at every given time. And I'm here taking all of these insults because I love you.
I'm sorry.
Is it a crime to love? Tell me.
I'm sorry, my love. I am.
All I want your mother to do is give me a little more time. Give me a chance. Is it too much to ask?
She will. I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry.
I'm just tired.
Don't say that. Look at what that guy is doing.
This guy is always like this. Anytime they're showing his movies, always like this. Very silly guy. See. He's a crazy person. This guy's hilarious. Oh my goodness.
Hey!
Mama, what is it? Mama, what is it?
My waist is working.
Mama, easy. Mama, watch your step. Mama, watch your step. Watch your step, Mama. Mama, easy.
Sorry, Mama, take it easy.
Mama, watch your step. Mama. Sit. Let me put your head here. Oh, Mama. Sorry, easy. Mama.
Nah. Please, it's only I want to be here. I don't want her to be here. Her face increases the pain.
Mama, what's the meaning of that now? What has happened? What's Mama, sorry. Mama, sorry. Please, take it easy. Take it easy, Mama.
My son,
Mama.
Biko, sing a song for me that will relax me, Biko.
Mama, I'm tired. I want to go and rest, Mama.
But if it's how you will turn to a musician, you cannot sing for your mother that gave birth to you. Yeah?
What's the connection between the waist and the song and her again? Mama, sorry. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. Sweet mother, sweet mother, oh, sweet mother. Mama, I'm tired now. I no go forget you for the suffer where you suffer.
Every little thing you do to me, it is with me for body. Hey, all of my Mama, good afternoon. I'm good.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to make something special for Ogume.
I said, hey! So we are talking about the one you did. You are doing another one. You are giving my son a Benin name. So the Igbo name that I gave to him is not enough for you. You are trying to take my position as his mother, okay?
No, Mama, not at all. Ogume is a pet name for him. It means my own.
Ewo, 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 ewo. So my son, Chukwu name is now a pet. As an enketa no dog or a cat.
No, Mama, I don't mean it that way.
You see you? I can see through you. You are like glass. I can see. I know what you are doing. You have tied my son spiritually. So now physically you want to now show us. You want to show us that he's a dog now. Eh? You want to show us the animal that you have tied. Yeah?
Mama, please.
Who is your mama? Who is your mama? Do I look like the witch that gave birth to you?
My mother is not a witch.
She is a witch now.
My mother...
I am saying it with boldness. The woman that born you is a witch.
Mama, see, please. Can you just stop? I can take anything from you, but insulting my mother, I won't take that at
Your
all.
mother is a witch.
My mother is not a witch.
Your mother is a witch.
I said my mother is
Your
not a
mother
witch.
gave birth to you. It's a big witch that gave birth to a small witch. Give me key, man. What do you want to? You want to beat me? Ngwa. Ngwa. Beat me. Beat me. Ngwa.
I will leave you to the God yourself.
Witch. White witch. You are cooking. I don't know what you are cooking. See it. Come and cook what you are cooking. Let me see. Onyoshi. My son, come inside now.
Mama, good afternoon.
Again. What is it?
Mama, please. I came to beg you. If there is any way or anything I have done, I am sorry. I don't like how we relate to each other in this house. Mama, please. If there's anything you don't like about me, tell me. I am your daughter, just tell me.
First of all, you are not my daughter. Then, the question that you should have asked is there anything that you like about me? Because there is nothing, one single thing that I like about you.
Mama, then what is it? Because tell me.
I don't like you at all. In fact, I hate you. I hate to the very ground that you match your leg on. As you match your leg on this place now, if I stand up from this bed, I'm going to walk like this because I don't want to match my leg where you match your leg.
Hey, Mama, how can I change how you feel about me?
Nothing, no. There is nothing, absolutely nothing that you can do that I would like you. Maybe the only thing you will do is to pack and leave this place.
Mama, please, I love
Don't touch me. Ogini, do you want me to wound you? I will wound you.
Mama, I love Emere, please.
I love you.
Please.
Biko, carry yourself and leave my room before we will quarrel. Yeah, you will have problem.
So, Mama, there's nothing I can do.
Nothing at all. Biko, carry your body and leave this place.
You mean nothing?
The next thing I will do now is to fight you. Leave my room. Mpi. I'm the mountain of the Lord's house.
Mama, you're awake.
Yeah, so I am. Yeah. Oh, so you are the one cooking now?
I just decided to make breakfast in bed for my baby. Mama the mama.
This girl has slowly turned into a slave. Oh. You are the one cooking. She is there.
Mama, no one has turned me into a slave. This is something she does for me every time. I just decided to do breakfast in bed for her today.
While she is in the room sleeping.
Mama, please stay out of our business. Please.
It's okay. I'm going to the room. But I did not do this to my husband, your father. I didn't. Oh. I said it. You will be sleeping. Oh, Faku. Oh, Faku. Ngwa, stand up. What are you covering? Something that all the men in Abuja have seen. That's what you are covering. Look at you. Look at what is good about the money. What is good about the money when you have turned my son into your slave inside his own house? Yeah? You are going to pretend now like you don't know what a thought is. You are going to pretend.
It's early for this now.
Get out from there. I know why. Don't you know that you don't have mouth in this house anymore? Since you have decided to turn to a dog, to a billy winch.
Mama, leave my house.
Hey! Put us. As you do, give me.
Mama, I have had enough of all of this. I am sick and in fact, you have overstayed your welcome. Leave my house.
Put us. How do you want to achieve that one? Carry me on your head.
Mama, I will drag you now. Leave my house.
Me, I will drag you back. I have hands now. Keep respect your part, young man. Come, let's fight. Keep respect your part. Let me use this hand that I use in family fufu in the village and beat you.
Mama, leave.
I'm the one that carry you 9 months. Oh, you did not hear your mother's gist. Hey, Ekutos, you did not ask question about your mama. I used to beat men. Say it, let's fight. Idiot. Osu, come and fight. Come and fight. Come and fight. Come and fight.
Mama, leave my room.
Leave which room? Come. Come on, leave respect. Which respect?
I can't anymore. I can't just do this anymore. I can't.
Babe, what's going on?
I can't do this anymore.
What can't you do, please?
Everything. Your mother. I can't. I am tired of believing that she's ever going to accept me. That woman will never accept me. I can't continue to live like this, please.
Babe, please. Just calm down. Look, I do not care about my mother. It is you I'm engaged to, not her. Look, if you want me to throw her out of this house, I will. I will hire men to do it now.
See this thing you're saying now? I don't want it. That is what I don't want. I don't want you and your mother not to be in good terms because of me.
Babe, just give me one last chance. I will talk to her. She will change her mind. I will convince her.
That's what you've been saying for weeks now. Nothing has changed.
I promise you, I will talk to her. Trust me. Calm down, please. Please. Please now. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you. Where is she?
I haven't seen her since morning.
You see? She's gone back to the village. Everything is fine. Come on, let's go back upstairs. My baby.
Please, better do something about this. It's not funny anymore. Am I the first person to be in a relationship? That woman is giving me problem. My mother is stressing me, really.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Baby. My one and only. Wait, my mother. It is you I want. So what do you want to watch now?
I told you, let's continue the series we were seeing last night.
Hey.
Mama is here.
Come inside.
Mama, welcome.
Nah. Kedu?
Mama, what's going on?
Welcome, Mama.
Good evening, you two. Since you don't know how to greet.
Mama, I asked, what is the meaning of all of this?
Oh, Nkiruka. Ma? Oh, nah. You know this, my waist pain has increased. It has become a big problem. Although you don't want to know that your mama is old. I am old. So, I cannot be running up and down, walking in the house as if I am 18 years. I am not. So I brought this one so that she can help me to do things in the house. Since the one you left in the house has long nails. Long nails, she cannot walk with long nails. So, this is my son, eh? Please, greet him.
Brother Emilie, good evening. Don't worry. I'm very, very strong. I have manpower.
And she's beautiful too.
Yes.
Hey, Mama.
Why do you need a maid to do chores in my house when my fiancé is?
Are you okay? You want to water?
It's fiancé that is choking me.
Fiancé.
When I hear it, it will choke me. Nah, I don't know when you fiance your own. I am coming from a long distance. Your mother is tired. Tomorrow, we'll talk fiancé. Today, I want to go and rest. I'm sure you are tired.
Yes, Mama.
Climb. Feel free, oh. This is my son's house. Feel free. You go there. Hey. The fiancé. Climb on the gasike. Hey. Hello. I am becoming too old for this step.
Your mother brought you a wife.
Babe.
Don't worry, please. Just say not for that.
Babe.
You want to act like you don't understand what's going on?
Come on.
Or do you need me to spell it out for you?
Come on, babe. Don't be like that because of that girl.
Your mother loves that girl.
And I love you.
We're talking about your mother. Your mother.
Babe, you should know me by now. There is no way in this world I'm going to leave you and settle with her. Huh? Just ignore her and my mother, okay?
She said I love you.
I love you more, baby.
Why can't your mother just love me?
She will. Trust me. She will.
Excuse me.
Excuse you. Good morning, madam.
Good morning. What are you doing?
Hey, I'm making a jagwarago, a yam and vegetable.
Thank you. You don't have to worry, okay? I'll make breakfast for him.
Ha, madam, no, I worry you. See, mama tell me say, make I go making this yam, jagwarago for my own brother.
Listen, the fact I let you stay in this house doesn't mean that you should overstep your boundaries. Huh? Henceforth, I'll be the one making breakfast and food in this house for my husband. Just stay in the kitchen.
Asiocha. It's a lie. Which husband? I hear you saying which husband?
My husband too.
Which husband? You don't have shame. Your mama did not train you well. You don't know what marriage is. Who escorted him to go marry you? You don't have a husband. And my son is not your husband.
Husband to be.
You are just saying you don't have shame. Husband to be, don't you have a family? You don't have a house? They didn't train you. You don't have a husband. You see, in this house, you don't have the right whatsoever to tell anybody what to cook and what not to cook inside this kitchen. You are nobody. Simniru, poor. Get out of my sight. I know why. How is the cooking coming?
Mama, it's coming fine, yo.
Cook it.
Now plucking I dare to pluck.
Pluck and cook. Nobody in this house has a right to tell you not to cook. No fear.
Okay, Mama.
Who marry her?
Pluck. Make I pluck all these things. Come on.
Babe, what's the matter?
I went to the kitchen to make breakfast for you. And then your mom came in and asked me to stop, that the new girl should be the one cooking in this house. And she asked me to leave.
Babe, that girl shouldn't be the reason why you're in this mood. This is what my mother wants. If she wants her to do the chores, then let her do it. As a matter of fact, you need to see her as the house help of this place. I don't want you to even lift a finger to do anything. You don't have to cook. I don't care.
I love you, and I don't want to lose you.
You're never gonna lose me, okay? Alright? And I love you more. Now give me that smile. That's my girl. Let me go get ready for work, okay?
Alright. And don't forget your wristwatch, okay?
Sure.
Nkiru,
Ma?
please help me get a cup of water from the fridge.
Water. Okay, I'm coming, Ma.
Stop there. Stop there. At home. Where are you going?
Hey, Mama. Madam said that I should go and bring water for her. Yes.
Which madam? Which smelling madam with rotten teeth is sending you to go and bring water? Your fellow woman is sending you to go and bring water. You are running kete.
Mama, but she's a brother Emilie's wife.
I know why. Did you follow brother Emilie to go and marry her? Did you pay 1 naira on top of her head? Who escorted him to go and marry? Brilliant. Stand up from the chair. I don't want to see your nyash on this chair. This is my chair. Don't sit here. Atoro, follow me.
Mama, I should come.
Come on, follow me. Atoro. Madam, why do you think I brought you to this house?
To do work now.
And you think it's only work that I brought you into this house to come and do? Have you looked at this house very well? Is it not fine?
The house fine where they like Obodo Ibo house.
And my son, Chukwu Emilie, is he not handsome?
Well, Chukwu Emilie, he handsome, he beautiful. Wait. See him pink lips now.
Now listen to me very well. Emilie, this house can be your own.
Mama, biakwa.
Look at you. Don't you know that the reason why I brought you into this house is so that you can come and marry my son? And this whole house here will be your own because you married my son.
Mama, biakwa. This one an expensive joke, yo. I go marry brother Chemere now.
He's not your brother. Did I give back to you? You can be the madam of this house.
That's my madam, uncle. I go be madam of this house.
Why are you mentioning the name of the dead among the living?
Wait, you. Mama, you mean say that's my madam waiting down there? He don't die?
Yes, he's a dead person. He's a dead person. That is what I said. She is just too stubborn. She doesn't want to leave this house and go back to the land of the dead where she belongs. Don't you know that the reason why my son does not notice you is because of that witch? She has blinded his eyes, only she that he sees. But I'm going to open his eyes. So what I want you to join me to do in this house is to drive away that stupid girl. Let her go so that my son can notice you. You can marry my son and be the owner of this house, my daughter-in-law. That is why I brought you here.
It's with you.
So from today, she's not madam. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
I hear you. Madam. Na me the madam. Nkiru ka ifu ganyan. Na me, madam.
Nah, it's so full nobody she prepared. Hi, Nkiru can go. Eh? Nah, she did it all by herself. I did not put my hand. I need to see her. It's not even bitter. She washed it very well. Very good girl.
Mama, it smell well.
Yes. Nah. Hey! Egede. Nah.
Babe, come now. I've been waiting for you.
I'm so sorry, my darling. I was looking for something. Sorry.
Alright now, come on, wash your hand. Where is the water?
Wash again. Chukwu Emerie.
Mama.
So it has gotten to this level where her fellow woman will cook food. Then you will tell her to come and sit down, cross her leg and eat. To fear her. It will not happen. You see this food? Her mouth will not touch it. If it's juju, it will stop now.
Okay, babe, let's go.
You are leaving.
And the both of you can eat the food.
So you don't want to eat the food because she doesn't, I said she should not eat the food. Hey! Fugonia, I told you that, did you see this one? I told you that the juju that girl using holding my son is very strong. But I'm stronger than it. I will use spiritual scissors to cut it. You will see it with your eye. Had it been, I was telling you, you were not here, you will say that Ekutos is a liar. My son rejected Onubu soup, his best soup. Hey! Because of Mami water. Okay.
Mama. I don't believe it.
My enemies.
Brother. Reject food.
If you go there.
Yeah. Hey! In our village, yo, they know they reject food, yo. It's a necessity.
Even this Onubu is his best food. Hi. Where did this girl cook her juju from, Pico? Hi. How? Every evil spirit holding my son. Fire! Every spirit of Obade holding my son. Fire! Every spirit of Ifueko holding my son. Okumonso Baba! Every spirit holding my son. Okumonso Baba! Every blood-sucking demon holding my son. Okumonso Baba! Every money-drinking demon holding my son. Okumonso Baba! Fire! 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 My son is free! My son is free! My son is free! Holy Ghost fire! Fire follow me! Holy Ghost fire! I don't know why you always do this scratch your head. Just like Nje. Oba.
Hey. Yes, sir, brother.
Hey, Nna. You know that the kid is very funny. There was this story that she told me. I nearly laughed off my head. We could tell him the story.
It's true, brother. Brother, not true. It's a story of a waiting making man killing fowl. Mama, na go you.
Che Mary,
Mama, you know how a man they kill Okoko.
Okay, look.
Mama.
This juju that this girl is using is very serious.
Hey! Ah, not true.
It's been almost 1 week that I brought this girl in Kiruka inside this house. The purpose of which I brought her here, I have not even achieved it. My son Chukwe Mary will not even look at Nkiruka. The grip that this wicked girl has on my son is getting worse. I have tried everything. What have I not done? I have cooked, I have prayed, I have prophesied, I have fight, I have danced, I have smiled, I have... What can I do? Because me, I will not let this girl marry my son. Not while I'm alive. I want this boy to notice Nkiruka. What can I do? What can I do?
Good evening, Mama.
Babe, you're back.
Oh.
Welcome.
How was work?
Stressful, tiring. You know the drill already.
All right, you know what? Just come. Let's go upstairs. You freshen up and you tell me more about it.
You look good, baby. Ah.
People are dead in my hand. Oh. Nkiruka. Nkiruka. Nkiru. Wait! What you there?
Wait! Oh, Jesus! Wait!
Stay in one place. Go, sit down. Hey! Sit down! Sit down! Sit down! Sit down! Sit down!
Mama, I see them.
You did not see anybody sleep eye. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you lying down here sleeping as if you have arrived. Your husband is in another woman's arm. Is this what I brought you to this house to come and do? It is not, oh. It is not, Nkiruka.
Mama, what I do again? I do everything you say make I do. Oh. That's a brother, he don't like me. He don't see me safe. Ha!
Okay. That is the reason why I come up with this plan that I have now. Because I have been thinking, why is it that he cannot see you? Is it because maybe you did not bleach? But I now think, there's another thing. Go and bring out your clothes then.
My clothes?
The clothes them that you came with, bring them out.
Okay.
Let me see.
Hey, I see those people. Oh. Oh, Mama.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, look.
No.
This is the only clothes that you came to this house with. Is this the only things that you have?
This is my American clothes, yo. I they wear for village.
I said it. At least now I know what our problem is. I know what our problem is.
Mama, problem? Ha! Hope say my clothes will not be problem.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Now I know what the problem is. I will solve the problem. But I will tell you that from tomorrow, my son will begin to notice you. Don't worry. I know what I will do. I know what to do. You see this your rag them. Carry them inside the wardrobe. I am coming. You call my clothes rag. American clothes, you call them rag. Hi, I see those people for my dream. I for don't cash out now. Hi, money good. Hi, this woman. I beg you, no be rag you. Now me, you are going to use the dream.
So, baby,
Yeah?
make sure you're not so stressed today at work.
I'll do my best, okay?
You're looking handsome as usual.
Thank you, my darling.
Have a great day at work.
And you too, love.
Oh, Nna.
Oh, Mama.
You are leaving already.
Yes, Mama. Good morning,
Mama,
Ma.
good morning.
Good morning, Nna. You are looking good. Turn around, let me see you.
Mama,
Oh,
so you're happy this morning.
Today is a special day. I'm very happy.
I'm happy when you are happy.
Thank you, Nna. That's true. Thank you, my darling.
No problem, Mama.
Well, let me see you off now.
Babe.
Come, so that you will not go late. Well, Nna. Take care. Have a nice day.
And you too, Mama.
Today, some people's cup has full. We will see. Nne, I went for shopping for you. Hey, see this one? The girl that sell it to me says, hi, can I call it? Spaghetti. Spaghetti. This one like this, you wait. All this place, we show. She showed me on a baby that they put, the wear the baby the cloth. She showed me how to dress, so I will dress you up. It's called spaghetti. See this one? They call it Zazu. That's what she call this one. You see this one like this, if you want to wear it, you will push this place back so that it can be short. And but it's better now that people are wearing these days. Then you see this one. This one is showbele. I don't know if it has another name, but this one here is showbele. Then there's another, this one. Hi, what is the name again? I can't even remember. But it's a very fine gown. You can see it now. Then this one. Hey, this one, monostrip. Oh, yeah, see it. You wear this one, this clothes. That is, you see these things? That is what that one girl is wearing and convincing my son. That is how she got my son in the first place now. With all these clothes. Because she's not finer than you. She's not. You are more beautiful than she is. So you are going to be wearing these things now. Look at this skirt. Very fine skirt. Don't you like them? Again.
Mama, wrong target, you. Wrong target, you. I don't feel wear this thing, no. I don't feel wear. Mama, and my box anywhere, or say anywhere can now.
You cannot
wear. I don't want to go to hellfire. All this thing that you
cannot wear them.
I know where.
You cannot wear this cloth. This is what your mates are wearing. This is what your fellow woman used to trap my son. You don't want to go to hell. Now, answer me. That house that you and your mother and your sisters are living inside in the village, is that not hell? There is no hell that is smaller than that one. That is the biggest hell. It's called poverty. I brought you here so that you can convince my son and marry my son. You are here telling me about how you want to go to heaven. Who said you cannot go to heaven? Let me tell you, I don't want trouble. If you know that you will not wear these things, tell me, let me put you in the bus tomorrow morning. Kenawa, I don't want trouble. You can leave this house. I will pack your things and put inside bag for you. We go. Is that what you want?
No, Mama.
Hey, if that's not what you want, then you wear this cloth. This is the cloth you can use. The idea is to seduce my son, so that he will see you. You have been in this house. He cannot even see you. So I want him to notice you and see you. So these are the things that you are going to be wearing. I even bought makeup. I don't know. I think I left it in the other room. I brought makeup. You will now put lash, nails, shadow, blush. You will put all those things. You will be making up. Because that is what this woman again is doing. Don't you see her every day? Then your step, you walk on your step. You will be walking gracefully. No, that is not how a young lady should walk. Then your smile. You will do everything that you can to impress my soul so that he will marry you. Don't you want to be his wife? Yeah? Giruk, I don't want to live in this big house and be the madam of this house.
Mama, no problem. No problem.
Now you are talking.
I'll wear it.
Now you are talking. I spent money to buy all this mono strip and all these things.
I don't want to go air fire. Uncle, when they go, they chook me knife, chook me fork. Every fire.
Happen hair fire for nature hair fire. You are not going there. All I want you to do is to get a husband. It's nothing bad. His husband, take it easy. Small. Sam, take it easy. Hey, Mama, stand up. Stand up. Don't you see your mates them when they wear this thing? Their whole body will be one place.
Mama, I don't like this thing I'm wearing, no. I don't like this thing.
Take it easy. Stand here.
Mama, I don't like this thing I'm wearing, no.
Don't worry, you will get used to it. It's one day that they start. Now this your place, they not arrange it. Let it be like this. Come out some more. As I look at you. My one and only daughter-in-law. Look at how you are shining. Even this your smile can wake up today. Remember, smile for me. It's not like that. You are bringing out too much teeth. Close more. You just do it with style. That's how young ladies smile now. You are looking good. Stand one, please. Don't forget the way I teach you how to walk. You know, when I was young, we used to make guy. It's just old age that has caught up with us. You stand like this. Bring down your shoulder. You stand and you walk like this. Then swing your body like this. Do like this. Do as if the ground is fearing you. I'm an old woman. You fall on top of me. So you just stand well. Take it easy, Nkiruka. Take it easy. Easy. Sit down. Cross your leg. Cross it. Your back. Bring out your front like this. Hey. Nah. You're welcome. Welcome back. Hey. Welcome now. Asa. Akwanwa. I'm gonna greet him now. Greet him. Stand up and greet him. Don't fall. Stand up.
Sorry, good evening. Brother, good evening, sir.
When is that, brother? Okay, Mama,
it's good evening.
Let's us go.
I greet you good evening.
Good evening, go get back.
Mama, it's good afternoon.
Get out. Yeah, say brother. You like your dad? I will not catch you. What was that you had? Stand here. What was that you were doing?
Mama, I did everything you say now. I did elephant walking now. The elephant walking I did.
Did I mention elephant? You Opoko?
Babe, welcome.
Babe.
Why are you laughing?
I just saw the most ridiculous thing downstairs.
Really? When? Where?
Wait. Don't tell me you haven't left this room all day.
Did I mention elephant? I said you should do catwalk. I even show you what to do. The one that is scattering my head is that brother. Who is your brother?
But the maid is my brother now.
How is he your brother? Atoro, I even said it. You are saying it again. Eh? Brother Emily, didn't you see a sweetie, honey, sugar? Did you see what that girl is calling him? That is why you will not leave her. Eh? You are here calling brother. Let me tell you, Chukwu Emily is not your brother. He's not your brother.
Babe, I haven't to. I'm trying to avoid your mother. You know your mom. I don't want her problems. So what happened?
My dear, it's nothing important, Jerry. Don't bother yourself.
Okay. Babe.
Yeah?
I got a gig.
Oh! Wow! That's great. Come here, baby.
Thanks,
And...
But then you remember that my client Chichi now that I told you about her birthday?
yeah.
Right. So her boyfriend called me that he's planning to propose to her and that he wants the whole birthday thing to be elaborate.
Okay.
And that we're going to be doing this for like 2 weeks. So he wants me to work hand in hand with the girl so that the things that he needs to put in place should be done.
Okay. So, when do you plan leaving?
Tomorrow, I already booked my flight.
Wait, it's not even around this place.
It's in Abuja.
Oh, so I'm going to stay 2 whole weeks without you, babe.
I know, baby, I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too, baby.
Stop it, don't be dramatic. Don't worry, I'll be back before you know it. Alright.
Okay. Don't worry, I promise. I'll call you every single day.
I know. And I know that there's one person I'll be so happy to hear this.
You, yeah?
It's your mom.
Oh.
Okay, wait.
If you want to call people brother, go to the village. That is where your brother is. Here, now husband. Did you hear me? What did I say you should call him?
Amakwamu.
Baby. Ngwa, say it.
Baby.
It's not a baby. It's a baby.
It's a baby.
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 If I call it, no, you sound really good. Eh?
Mama,
it's romantic.
This one no follow. This one no follow. Eh? How you say make I call you brother, but they made you baby. Now small picking. No be small picking now.
Shut up your mouth. Do it the way I want it. Call him baby. Eh? Didn't you see the way he was looking at you? Eh? That he has started falling for you. This thing will work. Eh? Just do what I say. We'll go back and work very well for him.
Elephant walking, a big cat walking.
Cat.
Mama, no be cat now. Cat no me.
Jerry, you were atoro. If you fall on top of me, eh? Awesome. Hey. Talk of the devil. Looks like it's your husband. You know what you do? Arrange yourself very well. Eh? I told you this thing is working. It's working. It's working. Arrange yourself.
Is it okay?
Let me go and open the door. Eh? Where you should open. Where? Let me open the door. My son. What is it?
Mama, good morning. I came to inform you that I am leaving.
Hey, you are leaving. Finally. You know, just looking at you in this house, you look like somebody that has sense. It is good that you have realized that you don't belong here. But it's okay. It's okay that, see now, if you have done this one since, we won't be having problem. It's good that you have realized. So let us leave everything that bites at night to be mosquito. It's okay. You have enough transport, Make sure nothing of your belonging is remaining, because transport money to come and pick it is a lot.
My things are still here. I am coming back.
Why now? Is it that you did not find any big trailer that can carry all your things at once? What is this one?
Mama, I'm only traveling for 2 weeks. I'll be back. I said, let me come inform you about it.
Hey! This girl will change.
What did she say?
She sounded disappointed when I told her I was coming back.
Don't listen to her. I'm sure she'll miss you.
Miss me? I don't think so.
Have you forgotten what they say about absence? It makes the heart grow fonder.
I really do like your mother. I wish she sees me the way I see her.
Babe, she will.
If I get a penny for every time you said she will, I will be a billionaire by now. The more you keep saying this, she will, she ends up hating me even more.
Look, everything is going to change before you return. I promise.
So,
Okay?
I hope so. I love you.
I love you too. And we need to catch our flights. Else, you are gonna miss your flight.
You're so naughty.
Don't you like it?
I love it.
Let me get that for you.
This girl is a chinchi. She has spoiled all my plan. Wait, Nkiruk. It is a good thing that this girl is traveling. She says 2 weeks she's going to stay in Wapia. Before she will finish her 2 weeks break. To go embrace your own. We have time. Let her go. Mama. Let her go. It's true. Nobody has sex like Ekutos. I know. Mama nabuwelele. Mama nabuwelele. Take this drink. Remove your body.
Sorry, brother. Sorry. I brought you juice.
Thank you. I'm not interested.
You're not interested? Juice that is
I said I am not interested.
It's delicious, so good for your system.
You brought him juice?
Yes, Mama.
Yeah. That's very thoughtful of you.
I thought
Your mother really trained you well.
yes.
Miriam, what do you think? This is thoughtful. Now, she saw that you were busy and she decided to bring you cold drink.
Mama.
Again. So I cannot open my mouth and talk in my son's house. I carry sellotape and gum my mouth. They are giving you drink, you are keeping straight face. Take drink and drink. Yeah?
Mama, I'm not thirsty.
I'm not thirsty. Give me. Go and sit beside your husband.
Horse what? If you come near me, you see what I'll do to you. Look, Mama, you think I don't know what you're doing? I know the reason why you brought this girl to this house. But Mama, newsflash, I have a fiancé.
Do like this. Please want to from your what? Clean that nonsense that you are vomiting from your mouth. You have fiancé. It's a good thing that you know the reason why I brought her in this house. So it's no more a secret. Nobody is hiding it. Nkiruka that I brought here is your wife. That is the person you are going to marry.
Amen.
Not that witch. Did you hear me? Nkiruka, go and sit beside your husband. Sit
Look,
on his laps.
if you come here, if you come, Mama.
See,
I'm
like
your
this
fiancé.
girl.
Why are you putting on?
Hey! You are beating me!
Mama, leave me alone.
You are beating me!
What is it?
Let's go!
It's me,
so
your
that you will beat me!
Don't talk to my room,
That
Mama.
emotional beating that you are beating me in this house, beat me physically. Two times back beating me. Two times back beating me.
It's me, your fiancé in this house.
I miss you too. I can't wait for you to be back. Let me call you back.
Sorry.
What's the meaning of this? What are you doing here?
Hey, my baby, that boy.
Your baby na boy like kill you there. What are you doing here?
I've come to taking care of.
Taking care of. Where's my key? What happened to the door? Mama!
Mama, good night, yeah? My baby now,
What is it?
Today in our day, we
Yo-
are going to do our yori and
God forbid me and you to sleep on this bed. You are who yori. My baby na boy and sleep. My baby, get out of this room.
Come, John, my baby now, we're
Leave me
going to
alone.
do like this now. Yeah? Okay, that's problem, eh? Let me lie down for bed and wait for you.
Which bed? Which?
Take a heart, yeah, my baby now, Hey! This your bed is something well. See how they enjoy for this place. Yeah, don't come enjoy. Oh yeah, come. You go sucking this one. When you suck and finish, you sucking this one.
Mama! Mama!
Come on, stay so that you suck this one. If you suck and finish, you suck this one. Today, you go swell for yeah. Okay. Okay, how was it? I hope it is not he was not rough with you. Eh? Mama, I don't know. Hey, I am sorry. I am sorry for putting you through all this. It's just that I didn't have any other choice. Moreover, the first time it's always like this. Very soon you will start enjoying it. Yeah. Mama, nothing happened, yo. Nothing happened. What do you mean by nothing happened? Mama, everything has gone wrong. Everything has gone wrong. Go see, he carry this thing. Come out, go sleep for ground. Leave me for bed as if I carry mammy for my body. Smell me, Mama. I smell mammy. I smell him. Hey, hi. Okay, that means you did not even do what we practice now. I do everything you say make I do. Mama, I even spoke those big drama. When you say make I those Oyibo drama. I speak up. He say me, I'm say, you don't even look at me. Hey! I don't remember. Hey, this is serious, oh. Hi! What kind of juju did this girl tie my son with? Hi! He put also.
You.
My baby na uwelele.
Call me that one more time and I will snap your neck. What's the meaning of this?
I'm cleaning.
Cleaning? Is that why you're doing like a snake?
My baby na uwelele. Yankiri is up for you.
Hey, all for who? Nkiru, why are you dressed like this? You think because my mother is in support of you, you can dress like this in my house? Let me tell you something. The next time I see you dressed like this, you will leave my house.
Ashiocha, you lie. Opa, because she's the one that is dressed like this. If it was that your witch that you brought that is dressed like this, would you be happy? Yeah?
Mama, I have said what I have to say. The next time I see her dressed like this, she will leave my house.
Akoko.
Excuse me.
Akoko.
Mama, Gini, Obo di kwata iti o. See o, brother, sorry, I mean, my baby na uwelele. Said he's chasing me out.
Go and sit down, Who? That one. I am his mother. Nothing can happen. As long as I am in this house, you are not going anywhere. In fact, this thing that happened now showed me something. our plan is working already. Hey, can't go water again. Why do you think that he's acting uncomfortable? It's because he is falling for you now. I know all these things. This is what he likes. So what we're going to do now is this. You see this your clothes that you're wearing? It's going to be shorter like this. Then your makeup, double. We are going to use his weakness against him. I am his mother. Nothing will happen. You are the chosen one. So,
Mama, I will not be giving money.
yes, my daughter-in-law. Yeah. This is my house. I have chosen you. It's you that I have chosen.
Yes, the chosen one.
Jesus.
My baby, what you want for my breakfast thing?
The first boy in us.
Me say you no like him with Nigeria. My baby, you must take my breakfast thing today.
Hey babe. I have missed you so much. Oh, you're coming back tomorrow? Oh, I have missed you so much. Alright, yeah. Okay, have a safe flight. Love you. Good night. Kiss, kiss. You naughty girl.
Enke nwa. Yo.
Mama.
Asam.
Hey, Mama.
Please come and bring this. Please come and bring this remote in front of your husband. Pick it for me.
Okay. Hey, Mama. Hey, boss. Sorry. Mama, now which one you want?
Asanwa.
Mama.
Hey.
Mama. My fiancé is coming back tomorrow. And I don't want her to meet this girl dressing like this. I have said this before and I will say it again. The next time I see her dressed like this in this house, she will leave. And if you try to stop me, you will leave as well. Mama, this is not a threat. It is a guarantee. I promise.
Sorry, Mama, sorry. Mama.
Hey, this thing did not work. It didn't work.
Hey, Mama. Wait, Mama, all these things, it did not work.
Hey!
Ha! Mama, see you go find something, maybe na village people, na him they follow you. Yes, so.
Hey, Nicken. He has slept. It worked.
Mama, he asleep.
It worked. Look at you. Every time. I don't like this. I don't like that. I don't like. See him. You know you have not kissed him before. Eh?
Yes.
This is the opportunity.
Mama. Yeah.
Kiss him. Small, no? Kiss him.
Hey.
Do you want to swallow him?
It's peck. It's peck, they call it. Just close your mouth. But you go close. Close. Close your mouth. Just small.
Nonsense. With all his shakara, he even has the sleep. Carry him. Let's go. Carry him up. Hey. I'm on the phone. Hey, the man is a dimple.
Babe.
Let me see the juju that will spoil this one.
No.
You have did a good job. You did a good job. Enjoy. Let me go before he wakes up.
Okay.
Come out.
Let me enjoy my baby. It's my baby number one. He just they sleep. He doesn't want to wake up to stay with your baby.
Why am I so tired? It's night already. How long have I been sleeping? Babe. before I go. Oh my God. She's not back. Babe! Oh. Babe! Babe? Baby!
They're even carrying gun.
Mama.
Ella.
Have you seen my fiancé?
What kind of question is that one?
Mama, please. I woke up and I can't find her. She's supposed to be back. Mama, did you drive her away?
Hey! Really?
Then where is she?
How am I supposed to know where a full-grown woman is? Yeah? Yeah. Well, maybe she found out that she's not good enough for you and she left. It's not impossible.
I'll go and look for her.
Good luck, oh. That's my fiancé. Nama.
Pick up. Please, pick up. Why is she not picking up now? What? Mama!
Again?
What did you do to my wife?
Hey! See a problem.
Mama, see what she sent to me.
Aha! Hey! Osunu! See it? She has left you. I think I have been telling you since. I have been talking it since that your fiance, her eye is not good. Where is she from? She has resumed duty. What her people do? Ashawo walk. She's now in Abuja with some big men. She has left you. You have seen it with your own eye. What is my business? Because since I've been talking this thing in your mind, Equitos doesn't know what she's talking about. I gave birth to you.
No problem.
Where are you going? Chukwu and Mary, eh? He's a man, he will take care of himself. What kind of trouble did I enter? I have been calling Chukwu Emerie. For 2 days I have not set my eyes on my son. I will call him, he will not speak. What will I do? Bikon. Ha!
Abakwamu sobu. Eh? Should I call police? Hey, Nna. Chukwu Mary. Nna, Kedu. I've been calling you. You don't want to pick my call. Eh? Why are you looking like this?
Mama, I'm fine. I'm fine, Mama.
Nna, you are not fine. Look at the way you are looking.
I'm fine.
Ogini. Hey. Did you annoy him?
Huh? Ha. I know annoy him. Now you annoy him.
Jenna Dodd. Jojo. Super Mary. Nah, I have cooked your favorite food. It's downstairs. I'm going to come and chop.
Mama, I'm not hungry.
Hey, now how can you say you are not hungry now? You have not even eaten anything since.
How can she do this? What did I ever do to her?
No, nothing. No. You did not do anything wrong to her. It's not your fault. It may have been my own, but I was going to accept her. Yes. You remember that night that you talked to me? I was restless that night. I did not sleep. I was thinking, I said, let me allow my son to make his choice of woman. Next thing, she did this, that she did. I feel, I'm even, my heart is bleeding like your own is bleeding. I feel very bad. Very bad. Nah, don't disturb yourself. It's not your fault. At all.
You were right all along.
My son, I hate to say it, but yes, you should have listened to me. Eh? You know that we older people, what we can see sitting down on the chair, even if you like climb Piroko tree, you will not see it. Me, my heart is equally bleeding like your own is, but I feel very bad. That this girl will just act like this. But this kind of situation is God that exposed her. So you should be even giving thanksgiving. This kind of thing is go to church and give thanksgiving. Because God has removed her. Come and eat. I'm sure the soup will make you feel better. And now, come. Forget her.
Come here.
Okay. No, I'm waiting for you. Huh? Forget her. Let her go.
You know this girl is a very good cook. Hey. Thank you, baby. Hey, Asam.
No problem. Put for your
Mama,
husband
this
first.
is
Put for him first. Okay. Do it. Do it. Hey. Just put soup. Put soup. Put more soup. Now, one taste it. I told you she's a good cook. Mama, eat. Taste it now. The man was razu. How is it now?
It's okay.
I told you she's a good cook. Hey.
No. Can I come inside?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey. Emily.
Mama.
Emily, what?
Mama.
Sorry that I am disturbing you.
It's fine, Mama. It's fine.
is this Nkiru girl. Eh? What do you think about her?
Nkiru. Well, she's a hardworking girl, Mama.
Is that all that you see? She's beautiful now. Yeah.
Mama, I know where this is going. Mama, look, I don't see Nkiru in that manner. She's not my spec. Moreover, I've not gotten over her Ifueko.
Are you mentioning the name of the dead among the living? Forget that one. If his spec is not a problem, we can teach her how to be your spec now.
Mama, how do you teach somebody how to be spec? I have never heard where they're teaching somebody how to be spec before.
You are underestimating this, your mama. Me? You don't know what I can do. Don't you know that all these things that you see Nkiru doing in this house, I'm the one that teach her now. All I have to do is go to internet like this, piam. And she will be your spec.
Mama, you're not understanding me. I don't see her in that manner.
And that is because you have not tried, you know. You have not tried. Give her a chance. Stay with her for some time.
Mama?
You will like her. Oh. You will like her, know what I'm telling you. Now, because no. Do this for your mother. Because now.
Okay, Mama. Okay.
Hey! 2-2-1. I know that you will not disappoint your mother.
Yes, Mama.
Hey.
Okay, Mama, you can leave now. Let me continue.
Deal. But this is your work. All these things you people do like this. Teach me. Your mother is sharp.
And you're talking about teaching Nkiru to be my spec. You don't even know this one.
I have not browsed this one now. Mama, this one is not younger.
Mama, I have work to do.
See
Nkiru. What level did you stop?
Huh?
I meant school.
Oh, now SS3 school I finish you.
Do you wish to continue?
Yes, so. See, I want to do universal, but money no day. I say make I just day camp.
Okay, so if I sponsor you now, will you go?
Yes, I will go, my baby. Well,
Emiri is fine.
yes, so my brother Emiri. Yes, I go start.
All right.
Hi, see that telephone? Now, what thing you go buy for me? You see You see how the long the pole day? That's what I want. When I say hello for village, they go no say Nkiru don't come back.
Nkiru.
Hey, brother. Brother, welcome. No. Hey, how was work today now?
Work was fine.
You working well, very well.
Yes.
Hey, that is very good.
Yeah, take this.
Yeah?
Take this. Yeah, these are jam questions. Once enrollment starts, I'm going to register you. So make sure you read them.
Brother, so you mean say in Kiroka, I go school. I go school. Thank you very, very much. Hey.
Nkiru, make sure you read them. I need you to pass your exams.
Trust me, I go read them well. They go not say Nkiru don't start school. Hey, thank you, brother. Thank you.
And please hurry up with that food. I'm famished.
Hey, yeah. Do you know that I was even cooking in the kitchen? But don't worry, it's meaning small. The food go ready so that you go chop your body go tell you say Nkiru can speak delicious. Brother, no, hey, Nkiru wants to cool, I'm telling you, my love. Yes, everything is working just the way we planned it. Of course, you need to see the books he bought for me. That he wants me to read so I can write down and go to school. Oh my God. He's really falling for me. Yes. My love, don't worry. Just calm down. You don't trust me again. Yes, by the time he gets used to me, I will make sure to pack all his dollars, documents, and everything. Then we elope. Maybe we'll go to Canada, maybe we'll go to US. Baby, you know I love Spain. Of course, I would never allow him to touch me. Yeah, even when his mother is saying, put yourself, I'll just be looking at her. That stupid mama self. Yes, baby, trust me. I love you. You know I love you and I miss you so much. I can't wait to see you. Oh, Bim, the sugar in my tea. Okulo Kalisia. Oyenje mono.
Hi.
Mama, beg. No offense.
Shut up! Is this the English you are using? Is this the English you are using? Use that English you are using on the phone.
Hey, put us.
I'll say the truth. My name is not Nkiruka. My name is Sandra. Oh, fateful day. Your mom came to our house. She met my mom. And she told my mom she wanted to take my sister Nkiruka to the city to marry her son. My mom called me because I was already living in the city. She called me to tell me what was happening. I came back to the village, pretended to be Nkiruka, my younger sister. That was when your mother told me everything and asked me to move in with her. I promised her that I was going to make her proud and make our family better. I came to the city bearing Nkiruka. But before now, I have a man in my life. Obinna. Obinna has been the love of my life. But things went bad. Went bad, very, very bad for him. That I became the source of the income that we're enjoying. I promised Obinna that I was going to come and do everything your mother wanted I to do so we can make money and leave this country. So when this opportunity came up, I grabbed it. I came here, pretending not to know anything. I actually went to school.
Hey!
Yes. And the truth is, I'm pregnant. Yes. I'm 2 months gone.
Hey!
Oh, my dear love, Obinna. And all these things I've been doing, they are all our plans. so I can win your heart over my baby. I want to win your heart over so I can take all your money.
Hey!
Your documents, I didn't want to scatter your home. I wanted the money.
So he's second-hand woman I brought for my son. If you go on your shit, hey, you're wicked. So you have been pretending since Ashawo.
Mama, because I beg in the name of God, please forgive me.
Forgiveness walk about on your shit. On your shit. Hey! See what you have done to me. You made me to drive the fuck away.
What did you say, Mama? Mama, what did you say?
No, because it is true. She came back that day. She came back, but I put sleeping medicine inside your juice, so you sleep and we brought you here. We made it look like you were sleeping with a fake giru. That was what she said. She left. Hey. Good also. Can I come with it? No, Bigo. Forgive your mother. Forgive me.
You are sorry. You are sorry, Mama.
Oh.
Why are you so wicked, Mama?
I thought I was protecting.
Protecting who?
Hey.
Protecting who? Protecting me? Now, see where your protection has landed me. See where it has landed me, Mama. All she did was love you since you got into this house.
How?
Do you even know why you are still here this long? Do you know why I haven't sent the both of you out? It was because she loved you. She didn't want to come between us, Mama. But what did you do? You frustrated her every single day. Insulted her. Why? Because she's not from your tribe. She's not from the same church denomination as you.
I'm sorry.
Now, see what the Igbo denomination you brought has done to us, Mama. Mama, see!
Oh, we go. Oh, now we go.
You know what? I'm done.
Oh!
I want the both of you to get yourself out of this house! Get yourself! Get out! Get out! Babe.
I came to pack the remaining of my things. I targeted the time you won't be around so I don't have to bump into you.
I am so sorry, babe. I know what you saw, but trust me, I will never cheat on you. I swear it.
You're sorry?
Yes.
You must really take me for a fool. You must really think I am a child. Right?
I was sleep. This whole thing was set up by my mom. I was drugged. I love you, babe. I love you so much.
Even if I still love you, your mother, she wouldn't want me for you. I don't want this. I can't continue like this. I can't continue to compete with her. I don't even want to.
You don't have to anymore.
Mom, what are you doing here?
I came to apologize. My daughter, I'm sorry. I was wrong. I let tribalism and denomination in church to deceive me. Instead of looking out for the right thing, which is personality and character, I did not. What I did was wrong. Biko, find it in your heart to forgive me. Forgive me for even disrespecting you people's relationship that you have. It's wrong. Biko, find it in your heart to forgive me. Biko, I can even leave
No, Mama, please.
I am sorry.
You don't have to.
I am very sorry.
I have forgiven you.
Forgive me. Hey. Thank you. Thank you, Biko. Hey. No, thank you. You have a good heart. Nah, forgive me. Biko, forgive your mother. I was wrong. I thought I was protecting you. Nah. Forgive me, please. Forgive your mother.
I forgive you, Mama.
Hey. Thank you. Hey. Today is the best day of my life. Oh. I'm very happy now. Hey. Thank you, Nem. Come. Thank you. I am the happiest person. Thank you so much. Hey.
Okay, so now that we are good, Mama, I've been meaning to ask you this. You teach me how to make that your noodle soup.
Hey! I will teach you how soup. I will teach you how to make salad. I will teach you. Any more delicacy, what? I will teach you. Then you too, you will now teach me that soup. Black soup.
Oh, black soup.
Let me make a confession at once. You know, because of tribalism, the first time I tasted that soup, I was pretending like I did not like it. You are going to teach me.
No problem, Mama, I will.
Hey, today is my Christmas. Hey.
I know I have done this before, but I'm hoping this is the last time. Will you marry me, Fuego? Please.
Of course I will.
Oh my goodness. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Está bueno. Hey.
Let me help you with
Congratulations, Daddy.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you for accepting to marry us.
Of course.
Oh.
Mama, let me drop this.